Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with clean, damp facial hair because oil and balm absorb better. This preserves skin hydration and reduces frizz. First, wash with warm water and a gentle cleanser, then pat to damp, do not overdry. Dispense 1-2 pumps of oil into your palm and 1/2 pump of balm if needed for hold. Rub hands together to warm product, then move from roots to ends with your fingertips. This ensures even coverage, makes combing simpler, and primes the beard for styling. Once the products are distributed, you comb through. Start with a wide tooth to detangle, then a finer comb to shape. This prevents snags and ensures even styling. If trimming, set clippers to your desired guard and take small passes. Cut less than you think, because you can always remove more. After trimming, warm a bit more balm between palms and apply to outer hairs for structure and controlled shine. This locks the shape and tames flyaways while keeping skin comfortable beneath the beard. To finish, you perform a final comb through and set the shape. If you need extra volume, use a hairdryer on low while lifting with a brush. Make sure to inspect for excess oil. If it looks greasy, blot immediately with a tissue and reduce oil quantity next time. If you notice patchy growth or irritation, switch to the included serum for nightly application and follow the kit's guidance. And if problems persist, pause use for a few days to let skin recover. This prevents long-term irritation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.